Hello folks, Gino here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas with a 2011 Harley Davidson Softail Deluxe that I want to show you. Really nice vivid black paint with the silver trim stripes. Looks real nice. Front end looks real good on this bike. Got a nice tire on it. Front fender looks good. I don't see any scratches or dings. Sometimes you get a little rock peck or two up on that front fender. Comes with the spots. Nice clean windshield. A windshield bag up here. Real soft. Windshield's nice and clean. Tank bed. Got the that's the factory seating set up there. Got the nostalgic looking grab bar. Got this basket weave on here with the laced edges. Luggage rack. Got the docking hardware here for a backrest if you want to put a backrest on it. Good tire on the rear. It looks like a little chip right here on this lower rear fender. Upgraded with a set of Vance and Hines exhaust. It's got a little volume to her. Got the 96-inch motor, 6-speed transmission. Rider floorboards, engine guard up front. These bars are really nice bars too. They started changing the Heritage bars and Deluxe bars, I think, in '09, but these are like almost like a Mini 8 pullback. Real comfortable. Bike's only got 8,241 miles on it. Pops right off. Ran it through the shop, checked it out, and make sure everything's in good shape for you. Qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team at 817-985-8888. They can tell you all about it. Go online and see our complete inventory at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com. We take almost anything in on trade. We sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for looking.